Hello, aviation enthusiasts. Have you ever met a crazy man? Or was there a man whose target you laughed at? Today we will talk a little about this type of men. First on our list is the first human to fly. Does anyone know who was the first person to fly? The first person to fly was Hazarfen Ahmed Çelebi. According to Hazarfen Ahmed Çelebi's narrative in Seyahatname in 1632, in a southwest wind, he threw himself into the void by wearing a device similar to bird wings from the Galata Tower, glided 3,358 meters over the Bosphorus and landed in Doganselar Square in Üsküdar. In the closing years of the 18th century, Sir George Cayley initiated the first rigorous studies on the physics of flight. He demonstrated a glider plan in 1799. This glider was completely modern except for the planform structure of its wings, and had a separate tail for control and was placed below the pilot's center of gravity to provide better balance. He flew the model of this vehicle in 1804. In 1848, John Stringfellow made the test flight of the first steam-powered model in Chard, Somerset, England. This was an unmanned flight. In 1856, the Frenchman Jean-Marie Le Bris made the first flight on the beach, going higher than where he took off, with his horse-drawn glider, l'Albatros Artificiel. His glider was reported to have ascended 100 m and traveled 200 m. In 1874, Félix du Temple produced a large monoplane aircraft in Brest, France, made of aluminum, with a wingspan of 13 m and a weight of only 80 kilograms, excluding the pilot. Many experiments have been carried out with this aircraft, and it has been proven that the aircraft can take off, glide, and then land safely on its own power. This made this the first self-powered flight in history, although the flight was for a very short distance and duration. The 1880s were a period of feverish study, with much research taking place well into the 20th century. With the onset of developments in the 1880s, the construction of the first truly practical glider became possible. During this period, the following three people took a really active part: Otto Lilienthal, Percy Pilcher, and Octave Chanute. One of the truly modern gliders was built by John J. Montgomery and made a controlled flight outside San Diego on August 28, 1883. These efforts only became known many years later. In 1890, Clement Ader made what would become the first long-distance propeller flight in history near Paris, France, by flying a short distance of 50 m with a steam engine aircraft he named Eole. After this trial, he started working on a larger design that would take 5 years to build. However, this design, called Aviation III, was very heavy and could hardly take off. It has been reported that the aircraft covered a distance of 300 meters with very little elevation from the ground. It is known that there were several aircraft attempts like these in the 19th century. These people play a big role in where aviation has come today. In this video, I generally included attempts before the 20th century. I will talk more about it later. After watching this video, let's ask ourselves this question and write the answers in the comments. Why did these men want to fly? I hope this video helped you learn more about aviation history, and I hope it was useful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. We hope you have a nice flight and see you in the next video.